Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got this Maisto Bugatti Divo here. Look at this thing. Bugatti Divo, just called Bugatti Divo. Maisto Bugatti Divo. Look at this thing. Let's just take a look around the box a little bit. So here it is. So now let's take a look at it and open it up. This is a problem. There we go. Now let's take a look at our Bugatti Divo. There we go. Oh, I'm a little clumsy today. Look. Oh my god. Alright guys, here is the Maisto Bugatti Divo. Look at this thing. Look at all the carbon fiber they lathered onto this thing. They got so much carbon fiber here. They got carbon fiber on the roof, the back of the car, the spoiler is made of carbon fiber. I think even the inside is made out of carbon fiber. Yeah, even the inside is too. Here where the stick shift is. And this thing is a little loose too. It's weird, no. Alright. But still, look at this. It's got a pretty nice gray color and also some blue on the car. That's kind of around here. There's a little tiny blue line that goes down the car, which is pretty cool. Look at the rims. They got a nice blue ring around them. It even says Bugatti on there. You see the brakes on there and also the Bugatti logo. I just love how this thing looks. It's so nice. Look at that. Even it has a little vents here that are blue too. So I think the theme of this car is just gray and blue. And also here is the gas tank. There are 2 gas tanks, I think. Yeah. That is amazing. It also has this little, whatever this is, like, attachment that, oh, hold up. Can the trunk open or no, the back? I'm not sure if the back can open. I'm not sure. No, yeah, it doesn't. Well, hold up. But does, look at the Bugatti engine in the back here. 1,500. Look at that. That is so cool. Look at the engines in the back. And then it has a little French flag on here on the side. Look at that. There we go. Let's take a look at the interior. Pretty nice seats. Look at, oh, it's kind of weird. Look, one of the seats is all blue, right? Then the other seat, the passenger seat, is all black. Look. This seat is all black and this one's all blue. That's kind of weird. It's like the driver's seat is only blue. Okay, now it's my favorite part. There we... Oh! Hold up. Hold up. Let's see. It didn't break. Sorry, what happened is that the steering came down. So guys, listen. It did not break. Sometimes it just happens. I can refix it easily. If I can just get it up. One sec. It's supposed to go up here. One sec. It's loose. Hold up. Uh-oh. What the hell? Come on. Yes, there we go. We fixed it. It's okay. It's not broken. It's just a little loose. That's why. Like, look. See how wobbly it is? Look. Look at this. It's a little bit wobbly. So, you see? So, that's why it kind of broke. But it did not break. It just it gets loose sometimes. But still, that is okay. Look at this thing. It looks so futuristic. I think this car, they made it in, like, 2018. Back of it, it says Bugatti, even after Divo in cursive. Look at the mufflers. It looks like a mouth, kind of. Look at that. That's kind of cool. So, oh, also the trunk opens, too. If you can open it. There we go. It's like a weird-looking trunk. It's like a letter V, you know? Let's just open up the doors. I'm trying to figure out if the back opens. I really wish it did. Oh, I just found out another thing of the Bugatti. See, one of them says 16 and one of them says 1,500. So I think this is a B16 and this has 1,500 horsepower, I think. That's my guess, or how fast it goes. But still, that is pretty cool. Look at this thing. The trunk space is kind of small, but still, like, you don't really need that much trunk space. So let's close it. Still, this thing looks gorgeous. It even says Divo in the inside. Here, take a look. Inside it says Divo too. Kind of like down here. kind of says Divo here. Then it says Divo on the other side, right there. Oh, you even got the little stick shift too. So yeah. Oh, hello. I'm a little clumsy, a little messed up today right now. Cause I just woke up, so yeah. Just take a look. So alright guys, here is the Bugatti Divo. Look at that. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Down the link in the description down below. You know, check it out, play Roblox on there. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and also, it's almost Christmas. I already got the trees up. And also, it's almost New Year's, so yeah. Bye-bye.